So we're going to be inserting a picture and doing some formatting to the picture. And we are going to start in our insert ribbon, and we're going to select picture because this image is in our Excel Level 1 Chapter 8 folder. Let's go ahead and select that. And now we do need to navigate to that folder. So wherever you have your Excel Level 1 Chapter 8 folder, you need to find it and you need to open it. And the image we want is Wall Street, so we're going to go ahead and select it and click on Insert. And the first thing that we are going to do is modify the size. Now, when you put an image in, it is selected and it does have sizing handles, and you could drag those, drag it in to make it smaller, or as long as your image is selected, you will see there is a format ribbon, and on the right hand side you can adjust the height and width by typing in whatever dimensions you want. So what we're going to do is adjust the height to 2. So I'm going to key in a 2 and press enter. And it does keep your height and width in proportion. So changing either the height or the width will adjust the other one automatically. Now what we're going to do on this is remove the background. So with this still selected, we are going to use the Remove Background button. We're going to turn that on. And then basically all we have to do is kind of resize this middle box so that it encompasses the entire image. And you'll notice that the background has changed color in here. But if we were to discard these changes, it would go back to the yellow. So this area that you see that's got kind of the magenta color around it, that is the area that's going to be removed. Okay, so we're just kind of adjusting these sizing handles so that the entire background is removed. And then we're going to click on Keep Changes. And voila, no more background. The next little adjustment they want us to make is to change the actual color of this image. And so we will be doing that by clicking on Color. And they would like us to pick Blue Accent Color 1 Light. Okay, so it is this one here. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then they would like us to make a little adjustment to the brightness and contrast. So they would like it a little brighter and a little bit more contrast. So we're going to go into Corrections. The current setting is selected. It's right in the middle. And what they would want is increasing the contrast by 20. And also increasing the brightness by 20. So it's this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then finally, they would like an artistic effect applied. They would like glowing edges. So we're going to go into artistic effect. And we are going to select the glowing edges. And it would be this option here, the very last one. But if you point at the other ones, you can kind of see what they look like. And these are very similar to Photoshop effects, if you're familiar with Photoshop. Okay, last one is the one they want, so we are going to go ahead and pick that one. And then we're going to move our image so that it is on the left-hand side next to the title. So I'm going to point in the middle of the image, and I've got the four-headed arrow, which is the universal move sign. I'm just going to kind of put it right up here. And it looks like I do need to adjust the size just a tad. And so I'm going to position in a corner, and I'm just going to left drag in so that it fits in the space. And then at this point, I'm going to go ahead and save my changes.